here we are, going to Finland on a cruise ship, and we were sampling some European cuisine. These are mini pancakes. They're really good. They're kind of like a mix between a pancake and a donut. And we're in the buffet here, and we also have this strudel. It's pretty nice. Tastes good too. So we just landed in Finland. There's an old town over there, and a cruise ship over there, and it looks like we're going to be taking a bus or a taxi to the old town and check out some of the Finnish culture and things that we can examine from their society. So we're here in the old city. There's some beautiful architecture around here, and lots of cool shops, lots of clothes, watches, Armani, cool things to look at, so I thought I'd keep you posted. Hello, we're here at the Helsinki Cathedral, and we just thought you'd like to admire some of the grand steps going up, and the 6 big poles and columns holding up that beautiful structure. So we just got off the tour bus, and we're heading towards a pretty cool marketplace. On the tour bus, they told us that the marketplace was actually, and all of this beautiful city, Helsinki, is a mix between Russian and French architecture. So in the buildings around us, you can kind of see that. So yeah, just checking out the marketplace. So we're here at the Finnish marketplace, and we thought we'd get some cultural Finnish food. So we tried reindeer burgers, and I have to be honest, I think I'll stick to beef from now on. But other than that, it was pretty cool. There's these little birds. You can see one there in the water. And they kept dive bombing us. I saw a guy with a bird actually on his head, and they're so desperate for food that they will actually attack people. So it was pretty scary, and yeah.
I don't know how to change the channel. I'll help you. Finish English. Okay, it's EMG.
I think I can forward it. Like I saw this guy passing in front, and then I didn't see him go on the other side. I was like, where did he go? And then so we're just leaving. We're now on the cruise, and we are going back to Estonia, to Lynn. We're leaving Helsinki behind. Just one last goodbye to this beautiful city.